Welcome to the best practice test course, antibiotic use, pharmacological effect, and classification. Congratulations for having this chance. I'm really so proud to be with you. I am Maram Abdel Nasser Taj Tayyar. I am Palestinian pharmacist, American studies instructor, author, and researcher who is teaching on Udemy. Infectious diseases are a leading cause of death worldwide, exacerbated by the rise of antimicrobial resistance due to the overuse of antibiotics in clinical practice. Pathogenic bacteria cause infections by proliferating in the body and displacing healthy bacteria. Antibiotics, which were once seen as a breakthrough in controlling infections, are classified into groups based on their action, spectrum, source, function, and chemical structure, and their biological effects are centered on cellular targets. This categorization remains relevant in both healthcare and academic settings. Course outline. The present practice test course provides a comprehensive set of multiple choice questions to assess students' knowledge on the following topics: rules of antimicrobial treatment, antibiotic selection, antibiotic combinations, route of administration, complications of antibiotic treatment, and antimicrobial agents that act as metabolic enzyme inhibitors, cell wall synthesis inhibitors, protein synthesis inhibitors, and nucleic acid synthesis inhibitors. The practice test course on antimicrobial treatment effectively covers essential topics such as antibiotic selection, administration, and mechanisms, including feedback on answers would help strengthen comprehension and fill any knowledge gaps. Many thanks for your attention, and I'd like to invite you to register in this course if you want to explore further.